Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 17 plate 420D M Sport Gran Coupe in mineral grey. The vehicle features a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit, has some very sought after BMW options, and also we've added a set of brand new 20-inch M Performance style alloys. Sitting just behind there, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful 4 Series, we have got the full M Sport Plus package. It's a facelift vehicle, and I'll be sure to point out the rest of the facelift items as we make our way around. Down the side of the car, you can see that wonderful mineral grey is very clean and tidy. Has got the BMW gloss black air breathers, and we've added the gloss black sidebars and satin side vinyls. Again, as part of that M Sport Plus package, you do get the sun protection glazing. As we make our way up to the car, we can show you one of the other optional extras in the form of the comfort access. So as you can see there, we've got these little stripes on the door handles, and this is the sensors for the comfort access. So when the car is locked, so we can lock the car via the comfort access, we can walk up to it, simply unlock the car by touching the door handle with the key in our pocket. Really useful tool. It does come with the black M Highlight Dakota leather. In the front, we've got electric movement and a memory for driver's side, and as you can see, the tri-stripe M highlights there, and we've also of course got the Harman Kardon surround sound. We also have got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox within this car, alongside BMW's fantastic Xdrive 4-wheel drive system, which we're going to talk about just a little bit more shortly. Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and everything within there is very clean and tidy. As you can see, it's been a very well looked after vehicle. Moving round towards the rear, again showing you off those fantastic wheels, and of course the signature M Sport Plus brakes. Round at the back, we've opted to go for the carbon effect rear spoiler and the satin rear diffuser. We do of course have a automatic opening and closing tailgate, and as you can see, the Xdrive badging. Opening that up, there you can see just how large that boot area is. Split folding seats and removable top and bottom partial shelves. Now, the Xdrive system is a very intelligent one, because as you've seen, you do not lose any of the boot space compared to some other manufacturers that still rely on a old-fashioned four-wheel drive system. It's an intelligent one. Each 4 wheels are monitored individually, and should it require to, it can send up to 80% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels to then give them drive. And they, as I've mentioned, are all individually monitored to ensure that peak traction is given at any one point. Moving on inside, we are greeted by the wonderful digital cockpit option, and we should explore more about that in a second. We have of course also got the professional wide navigation and media screen. We've got the power folding mirrors, which again can be used activating this little button, or of course using your comfort access. So in terms of that digital cockpit, you'll see there at the moment it's looking fairly regular. We've got a nice looking display. However, when I engage sport on the performance mode select, we're going to get a really nice digital speedo up here. You can see the mileage is covered just over 11,000 miles. So not only does that change your interior experience, you'll also get a different readout for the Eco Pro setting, as you'll see in a moment. So there you can go, you can see the charge to power status for the efficient dynamics, so that's telling you how much power you are putting back into the battery for the stop start system. Over here on the wonderful widescreen, you can see there the sat nav system, which utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on that fastest route possible. In terms of keeping you connected, we've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, along with the internet hotspot and apps. And to ensure you're kept charged, underneath the armrest on this vehicle, we've also got the optional extra wireless charging dock. As you can see there, I've placed a device in there and that's charging away nicely. Place that in there and simply forget about it, and remember you are connected via Bluetooth for both your calls and your audio. In terms of other multimedia, we've got DAB, music collection, AUX and the USB inputs. And we'll quickly show you this vehicle's service requirements and service history. Going down into vehicle status, you can see there in just 1 second, everything is highlighted in green. The next service for the car is not due until 18,000 miles, and that includes both front and rear brakes, 38 on the front and 40,000 on the rear. Service history, it's had of course its first service, as you can see there, so everything is present and correct and up to date. So there is a little look around, just some of the major talking points on this wonderfully high spec 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you would like more information on the car, you can of course find all of the relevant information down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.